It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, the 6th of April. I'm James Spann. After that wild, severe weather day yesterday, things are nice and cool and calm today. And some of you might see some scattered frost by early Saturday morning as the weekend begins. Let's go in there and check it out. Water vapor satellite view. Big, deep, negative tilt upper trough over the eastern states. Thought we'd look back at the storm reports, and we had only 10 tornado reports. That's the one part of the forecast that really didn't verify. Most of those were in Georgia and South Carolina. In Alabama, the issues were mostly involving hail and damaging straight-line winds. And we'll look back at why we didn't have the tornado output yesterday that could have happened here. I think partly it was higher cloud bases, and partly it was the winds down in the low levels were more out of the southwest instead of the southeast. We'll take a look at that. Other than that, the forecast verified nicely yesterday with morning storms, midday lull, supercells in the afternoon, mainly on the eastern side of the state. Pretty cool this morning, 40s and low 50s, different kind of day today. And around the nation, hard to find any warm air all of a sudden. It's our April cold snap we always have. Also windy today. We have a wind advisory for about the northern two-thirds of the state. We'll have northwest winds of 15 to 30 today, kind of blustery. And we note on the radar this morning, we've got some light rain up in the Tennessee Valley. And that will be ending later this morning. So the bottom line is we'll see the clouds, maybe some light rain this morning up in the valley, giving way to a partly sunny afternoon. Any severe storms today way northeast of here on the middle Atlantic coast. We have an enhanced risk there. And the good news, the wave train is shutting down for a while. We've had these intense wave after wave after wave, but looks like anything that happens next week should be pretty benign. Rain amounts through next Thursday morning, generally under 1/2 inch. And the good news, no severe weather outlooks for us. We've seen enough of those maps for a while. So here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock. Big trough over the east, deep surface low over Pennsylvania. Windy, cool. Clouds around this morning, maybe some light rain. The Tennessee Valley up in North Alabama could stay cloudy much of the day. We think for the central counties, the sky becomes partly sunny today. And we will have a hard time getting out of the 50s. Tomorrow, we start the day between 30s, I'd say 37 and 42. Upper 30s, low 40s. But a bright sunny day, the high will be in the mid-60s and still kind of breezy as that deep surface low continues moving up into the northeast United States. Pretty good breeze out of the northwest. Temperature anomalies tomorrow. Well below average for the eastern third of the country. And Saturday morning, this is when most of you will see lows in the 30s, and this is when frost is possible. A radiational cooling morning, the sky clear, the wind light, surface high right on top of us. Colder pockets, you know the places, Black Creek and Valley Head, they could go down in the upper 20s. And for most places, mid-30s. But the day Saturday will be nice, sunny, and a big warm-up. After starting the day in the 30s, a good chance we'll see a high in the low 70s. And Sunday, a beautiful day, sunny with upper 70s likely. Go to Monday, we've got a surface low near Lincoln, Nebraska, in Omaha, with a trailing front down to Dallas-Fort Worth, but we're still dry with highs in the 70s. Tuesday, the surface low passes way north of us. The trailing front slips in here, and we'll mention a chance of showers with that feature Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening, but no severe weather. Rain amounts should be light. And then Wednesday, a new surge of dry air drops in, and it's not really cooler. Highs will likely be in the 70s. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 13th. Again, the wave train shut down. Little weak wave well to the north. And again, moisture starts to come back. I guess you might mention a small chance of a shower, but obviously it's not a big event. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, April 15th. Big trough way back in the northwestern states, and around here, moisture showing up over the southern counties, but again, not a big deal, no sign of any severe weather. Check the numbers coming off the European. You can see the lows down in the 30s Saturday morning, and again, I think the colder spots have a good chance of getting a freeze. But after that, numbers look pretty good with highs mostly in the 70s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.